What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're gonna talk about how to match those shoes to that outfit. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics, such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap the notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends, like the Minister's Circle, salute. So the topic for today's video is as a result of a question I've been getting quite often lately. That's how to match your shoes to your outfit, and more specifically, different shoe colors and different shoe styles. So what I wanted to do for you today is give you kind of a quick cheat sheet on how to grab a particular shoe, how to match it with a particular outfit, what goes with dressier stuff, and more casual things. I'm going to keep it as simple and as uncomplicated as I can to make it easy for you to know you're grabbing the right shoe for the right outfit. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. Now, whether a certain shoe matches a certain outfit is mainly a function of a few things. I'm talking color, versatility, and level of formality or lack of formality. And first off, we'll start with a few simple guidelines and rules you can usually stick by. Now, you can bend them a little bit, but there's a pretty good guide to go by. First off, the darker the shoe, the more formal. The lighter the shoe, the more casual. The second rule, the less decoration on the shoe, such as broguing or any other type of decoration, the more formal. The more decoration or more broguing, the less formal, making it much more casual. And along those lines, the more bolder the shoe, the less formal it is, the more casual, and maybe a less versatile. So now let's dive a little deeper, starting with color. Now remember what I said, the darker the shoe, the most formal and less casual. And it can't get any darker than, of course, a black shoe. Now, a black shoe is the color shoe you want to grab for your most formal of outfits. I'm talking about formal, semi-formal, suits, things of that nature. I also like to see black shoes worn with charcoal, gray, and black, and sometimes navy blue, your darker blue. Take, for example, this simple black Oxford. This is what I would wear with a suit. This is what I wear with trousers, especially dark ones. This, I'm not going to be dressing down. Black, much harder to dress down than lighter colors. Now, I'm not telling you can't wear black shoes in more versatile situations, but I wouldn't run out and grab a pair of black Oxfords and wear them with jeans. Now, there's one caveat. If you want to wear black shoes in a more casual look, I would go with maybe some black Chelseas or some black loafers. Because those are more relaxed styles, you can get away with it. A great look for black, black Chelsea boots, black jeans. But when it comes to black dress shoes, stick to more dressy and formal situations. Now, as a side note in this video, we're only talking about shoes. Sneakers, a whole bunch of different rules. Already did a video on how to match sneakers to your outfit. Check that out right here. Now let's hop into your brown shoes. Now your brown shoes, much more versatile. However, you want to make sure you don't wear them with the most formal of clothing. Anything below formal, maybe you can start as semi-formal down, you can try a brown shoe. So obviously that means you can wear these in much more versatile situations. You can rock brown shoes with jeans, trousers, chinos, and the like. But remember, the darker the brown, the more formal. So keep your darker browns probably with dark denim and darker shades of pants and trousers. I especially love a dark brown shoe with dark denim. But if you want to rock a dark brown shoe with a lighter denim, perhaps go with a Chelsea boot or even a dark brown dress boot. Because these are less formal type shoes, they'll work better with your lighter jeans and trousers. However, as you move down in different shades of brown, the lighter you can get away with more casual situations. Anything from a medium brown down to a tan and anything in between, you definitely can rock with your chinos, jeans, trousers, even an occasional suit. But remember, the lighter the brown shoe, the more casual it becomes. Now, what I really love about your lighter brown shoes, they rock with almost any shade of jeans and any shade of chino. So if you want to rock those various shades of chinos, jeans, and trousers, those light brown, medium brown, and your tan dress shoes definitely work well in those situations. Now let's talk about an underrated color that I think kind of works in the middle ground between black and brown, but to me is just as versatile as brown. That's your Oxblood or your burgundy. So what are you going to wear your Oxblood and burgundies with? A whole range of colors. You can do your blacks, you can do your dark blues, you can do your dark denim, various ranges of chino. Remember, with your Oxblood or burgundy, kind of think of it as a brown, but a little bit more of the formality leaning towards black. It has a wide range in versatility. Oxblood, underrated, really grab this one and work with it. I think the Oxblood shoe was so underrated, I did a whole video showing you how to style Oxblood. One of my favorite shoes I wear all the time my Oxblood tassel loafers. Very versatile. Don't sleep on the Oxblood. Wide range of styles and pants and trousers and chinos you can wear with it. So now that we talked about the colors of shoes, let's get a little bit into more about what I was talking about as far as decoration and broguing. Remember what I said. The plainer the shoe, the more formal, less casual. The more broguing, details, and decorations, more casual, a little more versatile, but it's harder to dress that up. Let me give you a couple examples. Take, for example, this black Oxford with the cap toe. Very little decoration. Because it's plain, this is more of a dressier, formal shoe. More decoration, you might be able to get away with a little bit more versatility in more casual situations. Now on the other hand, take this wingtip brown dress shoe. Very nice, well-made shoe. However, the wingtip makes it more casual and less formal. However, I love wingtips because they're very versatile. So remember what we said. The more decoration, the more broguing, less formal, more casual. We can even compare and contrast with another brown dress shoe. Now here I have more of a cognac, but again, this is a cap toe dress shoe. These I wouldn't wear with jeans as much as I would as those wingtips. Remember, because this is plain toe with just a little cap toe here, more formal. That wingtip, I'd be able to play around with more versatile situations. That's why, say for example, this double monk strap I have here. Yes, it does have the buckling that's a little bit decoration, but because once again, this is a cap toe, I might be able to get away with more suits and other things than I would than a shoe with a lot of more broguing in it. So now let's talk a little bit about how you can use casual shoes, despite what the color are, to have a little bit more versatility and be more laid back. I'm talking about your shoes like your boat shoes, your loafers, your Chelsea boots, your chuckers. The color rules can be bent a little bit more because the shoes are more casual. So even when you're rocking with Chelsea boots or loafers that are darker colors, you can get away with more casual outfits such as chinos and jeans because the casual style of the shoe lessens the harshness of the darkness of the color. Okay, so there you have it. My quick guide on how to match your shoes to your outfit. Let me know in the comment section how you decide which shoes you're gonna rock with a particular outfit. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. It helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.